boy. Back on Wildfire.
Oh, the just got
Whoa! Woo! Just at the back row. This is our first front row ride. Are you guys excited? This is an amazing view from up here. Okay, here we go.
Okay.
Here we fucking go. Oh, that looks incredible from here. That's so tall. Okay, start with some good laterals here. I think it's better than Conda now. Oh my god. Oh my
shit, this is amazing.
Fucking hell, this is such a good ride. It is running fast too. Lord almighty.
I was trying to make a mount that fitted on the shoulder, but it got too wobbly.
Oh yeah. It can like slide.
I was thinking of trying to make one myself where I can have it on my shoulder.
Okay.
So I get more centering and I get it works some coasters like this one. You want it like more to the center.
Yeah.
And stable. So
okay.
I have this shoulder mount that I'm trying to sort of resume when I have the time.
Yeah, you just gotta get it tight enough, otherwise it's gonna slide.
Yeah,
you know?
so it's hard.
Yeah. Well, I did you getting crafty. That's pretty cool. I could never.
Yeah, perfect angles.
Yeah. The best artists create their own tools, I guess. Yeah. Woo! You ready, Philip? Excellent.
Yeah, I literally have like that much space under my behind.
Yeah, I did too.
I had like Falcon level.
I felt like I did as well. It's like the seatbelt doesn't do anything.
I had it so loose, so
yeah, same.
I could stand up like during the drop.
You had some great reaction.
What?
You had some great reactions from you. I turned around to see your reactions.
Oh, you had the best reactions. You also have tears, like me.
I'm super ready.
Right? Wildfire! Let's go!
Yeah, some room. I think this is good.
Yeah. For anyone watching, this is our first ride in the very back row, but on the coaster in general. We haven't ridden it yet. Are you ready, fellas?
No.
First ride on Wildfire. Oh my god. Look at the fucking view, dude. Look to the left. It's so beautiful. 6 years you waited.
6 years.
6 years.
6 fucking years. Oh, these elements are absolutely huge.
Okay, here we go, boys. Woo. Here we go. Oh, laterals. Okay. Damn. Oh my god. Whoa! Whoa! Let's go! really good. Not disappointing.
That was amazing.
That was not disappointing, right?
Nope.
Nope. So, airtime strength is not as high as Untamed, but nonetheless, it's still strong ejector airtime.
Yep.
Yeah.
I think my shirt approved that.
Yeah. Oh, you got up?
Yeah.
Oh,
definitely.
nice. Also, great whip moments and some positive forces. Really smooth with still a nice wooden rattle I really like. Perfect.